Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial guide video I'm going to show you how you can turn on two-step login or two-factor authentication on your TransferWise money application in order to make your account more secure. So if you're new to our channel, then first of all make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video on our channel. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that you have actually downloaded the TransferWise money application on your phone. If you haven't downloaded the application, then simply go to your app store if you're on your iOS device and open a Google Play Store if you're on your Android. Once you open your respective app stores, depending on whichever device you have, on the top of the screen you can see the search box. Simply click on the search box and then type in TransferWise. Once you click on TransferWise, you will see the application called Wise, also formerly known as TransferWise. And if you're on your Android device, you will see a green install button in order to download and install it. And if you're on your iOS or your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon in order to download it. Simply click on the icon and verify it using your Apple ID password, or depending on whichever security methods you have inputted on your phone. So once you are sure that you've actually downloaded and installed the application on your phone, go back and open the application and make sure that you're actually logged in. If you're not logged in, then do so by entering your email address and your password, or depending on whichever credentials you have. But since I was already logged in, you can see it didn't ask for my credential. So we are going to learn how to turn on two-step login. So this is how your home interface looks like, and it may look a little different if you're on your iPhone device. So at the bottom right of the screen you can see the option which says account. Simply click on account. Now this account section may be different, maybe on a different site on your iOS device, so simply look for an option which says account. Once you go to your account interface, on the top right hand side of the screen you can see the settings icon. Simply click on the settings icon. Once you click on settings icon, you can see that we have been granted several options such as email setting, pin auto log, changing your password, two-step login, and login out everywhere. What we want to do is actually enable two-step login. As for me, I've already enabled my two-step login, but if you haven't, then you will see that the two-step login status is actually off. So simply click on the fourth option which says two-step login. Once you click on it, it will ask you your phone number. As you can see, when you or someone else tries to log in, we will send a notification to this phone. You can then approve or deny access. As for me, I've already turned on two-step authentication, so I wouldn't really have to do anything. However, in your case, simply enter your number over here and then you click on save, and it will send a code to your phone number. You simply need to verify it. And there are other things which you can also do by adding a backup phone number in case you don't have access to the primary phone number. At the bottom you can also see the other security options such as logging in with an SMS instead. So this is how you can turn on two-step login or two-factor authentication on your TransferWise money account. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, then do make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.